Hey, Dr. Berg here. Listen, I had another question related to this alternative sweetener, which I use in my ice cream called Isomaltooligosaccharides. Okay, that's a mouthful. IMO. Now, the reason why I want to talk about this is because when you research this sweetener, which basically is a type of fiber that acts as a sweetener, it's like a prebiotic, you get conflicting data, okay? There's some articles that say it's really bad, some say it's really good, so I just want to kind of go through step by step in my opinion. Now, I've tested different sweeteners with my ice cream because I wanted something lower on the glycemic index. I tested corn fiber, I tested inulin from chicory root, and what I found is it creates a lot of digestive issues. So this sweetener produced the least amount of digestive stress, and that's why I used it. So IMO is a type of fiber that is created out of non-GMO starches, okay? Now it has a glycemic index of about 34, which actually is pretty low because anything lower than 55 is low. So it's not perfect. It doesn't have a zero glycemic index like erythritol, but it's on the low side. Now, right now, I'm in the middle of doing some testing on several diabetics, and the first result that I got back seemed pretty good. It did not seem to increase the blood sugars that much, so that's exciting. But it produces the least amount of digestive issues. However, if consumed in larger amounts, it does act like a laxative. So in one serving of my frozen dessert, there's really only 5 grams of this sweetener, which is pretty low, compared to some of the protein bars that use the sweetener, which is 40, which I think is too much. So most of the digestive issues start when you're at 30, 40, or 50 grams per serving size, at which time you'd probably have a laxative effect, much like consuming psyllium seed or some type of bran fiber. So that's my take on this sweetener, and go ahead and tell me what you think. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, listen, I want to thank you so much for your wonderful comments, and I want to ask you if you wouldn't mind giving me your review on Google. I put a link down below. I'd really appreciate it, and thank you in advance.